Yeah, I definitely need to shave. Guys, welcome to the show. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mandla Gingirikani Komashava. It's been long since I said that, ne? Kali man. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please do the right thing. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. Don't be left behind. Let me tell you a story, guys. Well, let me not even say a story. As you can see, guys, I found a new background for our, just to spice things up. I found another corner. Maybe I could do my show on the bed. On the bed, that sounds so wrong. Like on the bed. Yeah, on the bed. A lot of things happen on the bed. But anyway, guys. Let's not go there. But when I talk about the bed, it's do you like my background, guys? Do you like where I am? Please do comment down below so I can change it if you don't like it. I just thought maybe, like I said, if you want to have tea with me, please come through. I'm also gonna have tea, cup of tea or mug of tea. I brought the big one because I realized the other day I ngari ntalaba for seconds. Ngari ntalaba seconds. So so guys, so like I said, we're going to talk about a lot of issues these days. We're not going to only focus on music. I love music, but I'm also a human being who experience life, So I just want to take you in a journey of life on the channel. I feel like gone are the days where maybe the aim, well, I never really had an aim to make money on YouTube. It was never my aim. When I started the channel, I didn't even know YouTube. So so I just want to almost like go back to the real YouTube, the real reason why we're on YouTube. We are here to make each other think, make each other laugh or entertain each other or sometimes clarify things or open our minds, you don't entertain. So I'm wearing a hat by Tsonga Stamp. I think it's Tsonga Stamp. It's going for 150. I bought mine. Those hat challenges, I don't know, but yeah, I like this hat a lot. So whenever you guys, please don't steal my hat. Oh guys, before I go far, can I address this issue? Okay, yes, let me address it. There's people that took Nkanelo Gingirikani, they haven't paid me. Those people know themselves. I'm not trying to scare them or whatever or to threaten them. I just want to say, if you know Nkanelo, please do the right thing and pay. Contact me, WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me on 0616709692. That's my WhatsApp. Yes, you can also call me on that line, but sometimes the network is a bit of a problem. But if you WhatsApp me, you will get through to me. So please do the right thing. Most of them I've communicated with you guys about how you should pay, because now we are stuck. We can't even order new material or new merch because there are so many people that owe me who haven't paid. So can you please guys pay back the money? Because I don't want to get to a situation where I come to the show on Nkanelo Gingirikani and start calling you out by names, because I can do that. I can do that. So please do the right thing. If you don't pay by February, I think in March I will bring names here for those who still owe us to pay us so that we can buy new shirts. We can also deliver for other people that want the shirts. Sorry about that. That was just a passing. So the t-shirts were going for 250, guys. If you want the t-shirt as well, you can still order them. 250 each. Nkanelo Gingirikani, Namingati Meli. It's our slogan here on Nkanelo Gingirikani. So I said that I'm going to. Okay, it looks like this video will just be like housekeeping. Let me actually make it a housekeeping video, like rules, basic rules. I don't like rules, because I always break the rules. Like I said that I'm gonna be speaking Xitsonga here and I'm not, so I broke the rules. So I said I'll speak Tonga, but it's a bit of a challenge for me because I meet people that say, Mandla, we can't hear what you're saying. Please, think about us. And most of those people did pay Shikipasha Ekes doors. I can even mention their names. A lot of them are Eastern Cape people, Xhosa people bought my shirts. Lots of them, and some Afrikaner people and some, Zulu people bought my shirts. They paid, some even bought more. But then Tonga people who think they're clever, they think maybe they will not, Okay, let's get out of this whole t-shirt issue because Mara, I just wanna say it's gonna be hard for me to talk about whatever the discussions we're gonna have on the show, and then we'll have like Tonga and saying because one who cannot understand what I'm saying. So, and I don't have time to write subtitles. Guys, subtitling is a lot of work. I don't have the equipment for me right now to be doing subtitles. Maybe let me have tea while we edit because the tea is hot. I don't have time to do subtitles. So the best thing, oh my gosh, it's the wrong mug. It's leaking. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to cancel this because I took the wrong mug. And it's leaking and leaking and leaking. Yavuza, yavuza, yavuza. Okay, let me fix this because I have to fix this. I can't do anything without. Yo. Guys, sorry about that. My mug gave me a bit of a movie there. It was spilling all over. So guys, but I feel like I'm just gonna have tea, guys. Just tea without milk. This was inspired by Prince Palasiska, Yes, it's tea, it's rooibos tea. I like rooibos tea. I don't like coffee. I'm not a coffee person. I like tea. If you want to have tea with me, please come through. Comment down below. I'll make a random selection. Maybe you can come and have tea on Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani, But maybe let's make this video a housekeeping kind of a video, We must not get emotional, guys. I'm sorry I have to almost switch the content. Not really to stay away from music. I love music. I cannot run away from music, So I will talk about music, but then I've just felt like I needed to spice things up by bringing life inspiring kind of topics. It could be love, sport, anything, affections, relationships, whatever. Mjolo. We can talk about anything, guys. I just felt like maybe we've built enough community, enough number of people for this community, because we are a community. We understand each other. You guys know me by now. Some of you have met me outside here, So there's no playing around here. You guys know me more than I know you guys. So I just felt like maybe we should talk about anything. But it's not a gossip channel. This one is not a gossip channel. Just to clarify, we're not doing gossip channel here. We don't do gossip news about who's dating who. I don't care about those things. Because Mjolo, me too. I don't know. I wouldn't want someone to talk about who I'm dating. Guys, I'm not dating. Yes, I am. I'm not dating. I'd like to have someone. Do I have to hide that information? Yes. Applications are open, guys. Which is funny. Hi, let me just have tea. Guys, please come. Let's have tea on Nkanelo Gingirikani. Now why? What is to go? Why? And then but maybe that's the reason. Guys, there's so many topics that we could talk about. I'm so excited, guys, because I have a lot of things to talk about. I'm sorry, the previous video was a bit deep in a way, but that's me, that's me. That's actually the me right there. I like us to talk about anything. So from now on, guys, we're gonna be talking about everything, anything, but we're not talking about people. We're not doing gossip channel here. We're not doing gossip news. We're not doing gossip YouTubing. No, not on Nkanelo Gingirikani. Here we are canneling. We are debating issues that we are facing in life. So I want to talk about life, guys. So I want to take you in a journey of life. You share your experiences with me on the comment, and I tell you my stories. It's not like story time. I don't do story time. For me, whatever topic I'll be sharing, I'll bring in my own experience in it. So you guys, I also want you guys to also share your stories there, you know. So first topic. Look, what's what I'm not messing rims. So stuck with people want to, you know, people wanna. This is crazy, guys. Guys, next topic is next. So please click on the next video. Next video, we are doing the first topic. It's not the first topic, it's actually our second topic because we spoke about the previous one. So next topic in the next video. Legere mina, ekastort, tsolekile nyora. Amse suntotora, salute, minga titimeli.